Making money as a graphic designer online is never hard anyway. All you have to do is to make sure you understand the skill and then know how you manage and market your skill to large audience online without leaving the comfort of your home. I'm sure you guys click on this video to see some of the 5 best ways you guys can make money as a designer. If that is interesting, feel free to continue watching this video from the beginning to the end and see some of the 5 powerful way by which you guys can make money as a graphics designer without leaving the comfort of your zone. Working from home, right from your desktop, you are making money as a graphic designer. So with that being said, so let's dive into tutorial and see some of the 5 powerful way by which you guys can make money as a graphic designer. So let's get started. So right here I have some of the steps and some of the way by which you guys can start making money as a graphic designer, which I've already explained in this DOC document. Okay, one of the first way by which you guys can make money as a graphic designer is to sell on a stock site. So what does it mean to sell on a stock site and what does it entail? How do you go about that? This is a very simple thing and a very simple a straightforward answer to all these questions. For you guys to sell on a stock site, you have first thing first you need to do is to make sure that you create a free account with any of the site. You can sell your stock on you can sell your stock on Adobe Stock. You can sell on freepik.com. You can sell on Creative Market, Spoonflower. You can sell on Pattern Bank as the case may be. So when you create a free account, after you are able to, let me quickly take you guys to internet and show you some of the platform. Right here, you can see on Pattern Bank. So for you to sell on this particular site, all you have to do is to click on this place right here to make a free account. So when you make a free account, so you can start uploading your design. So you just look at it, sell your designs. So there is no limit to what you can sell on this site, and there is no limit to how much you can make as far as this is concerned. You can click on here now to upload your design. So when you upload your design, then you start making money. It's as simple as that. This is what I have for you guys as far as this patternbank.com is concerned. The next one right here I have for you guys is creativemarket.com. For creativemarket.com, what you need to do also as a designer, you just make a free account. So you can sell your graphics such as icons, illustration, and pattern, texture, web element, vector, Photoshop. Then you can also sell fonts. You can sell templates such as mockup, social media template, presentation, email, and website stuff like that. Then add on photos, web themes, 3D, and etc. So first thing first is to make a free account with this particular site. When you make a free account, then you upload your design. From there you start making money. There is a cool way to make money on this particular site as a graphic designer, as the case may be. So these are what the products listed on this site. So this is how your own is going to look like also if you eventually upload your design stuff on this particular site. So the next one I have for you guys here is Freepik. Freepik.com is a very popular site. It's over free and premium. So if you upload your design on this particular site, so right here you can see sell your content. First thing first, you have to create a free account, sign up. So when you sign up on this site, then you are free to upload your content and start making money, such as you can sell your vectors. So you can sell your vectors, you can sell photos, PSD file, 3D, fonts, categories, collection, etc. There is no limit to what you can sell right here if eventually you are interested in this particular website to sell your stuff. So the next one right here I have for you guys is adobestock.co.com and .co. So this is a very great opportunity for every designer out there to sell your premium content such as vector, illustration, audio template, premium font, plugins, and 3D, etc. All you have to do is to make a free account with Adobe. When you make a free account, then you upload your design and then you start making money with your content. So let's take a look at another way by which you guys can start making money as a graphic designer. The next one I have for you guys here is to start teaching online. Okay, at this point here, what you need to do to make money at this particular section is that You can teach online, such as create a free account on Udemy, Skillshare, and Gumroad. All these platforms right here, they are very much legit. There are thousands of people around the world that have made money on this particular website teaching what they know how to do best. You as a graphic designer, you are not left behind. You can create a free account, record your tutorial, maybe Photoshop, Illustrator, or CorelDRAW. Just make sure you pick on the topic and pick on a software that you can handle professionally and create a course around it, upload it on the site, then you make money for a lifetime without any stress. So this is a very great opportunity for you guys as a designer also. So you can as well sell whatever you are selling on Udemy as your course content. You can also sell the same content on Skillshare and etc. So you are good to go. So the third one I have for you guys here is to become a freelancer. I understand some of the facts that to become a freelancer is very hard. It's not really easy. But one thing you need to know is that nothing good come easy. So you have to start with a platform. Let's, for instance, you can start with Upwork, or you start with Fiverr.com, or you start with People Per Hour, or you start with LinkedIn, and also you can get a freelance job on Facebook, maybe from Facebook page, or you run Facebook advert, or you run Instagram advert that you are a graphic designer. From there, people contact you and give you a design job. This is another cool way by which you guys can make money online as a designer. So let's take a look at another one that you guys can use to make money as a designer. Another place is you guys selling your design for print, for a print website, maybe t-shirt design. So if you are very creative as a t-shirt designer, you can easily design a template, maybe in CorelDRAW or Illustrator or Photoshop template, excuse me, or Photoshop template, upload it on any of these particular websites and start making money from the comfort of your home without any stress. You can create as many as possible and upload it, and then you make money from it, as the case may be. And the very last one I have for you guys here is creating a YouTube channel. One of the great opportunity that you guys have also as a graphic designer is to have a successful YouTube channel. What does it take you to create a YouTube channel? All you have to do is to have your Gmail account, sign up and create a free account on YouTube, create content maybe with CorelDRAW, Photoshop, or Illustrator, get subscriber. I think it's about 1,000 subscriber and your 4,000 watch hour, then monetize the channel, then you start making money in a lifetime without any stress. So far so good. This is what I have for you guys as far as making money online in a five possible way for you guys as a graphic designer to make money online. However, there are so many ways by which you guys can use to make money online as a graphic designer. But from my experience, my personal experience as far as online space is concerned, I was able to bring out this particular 5 powerful way by which you guys can use to make money online as a graphic designer. If you find value for this video, please give this video a big thumb up. And also, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, kindly click on the subscribe, turn on the notification bell, so whenever I upload content about this on how you guys can make money online, you get notified and you watch the video. And lastly but not the least, if you have any question for me as far as this tutorial is concerned, kindly put your question in the comment section down below. Until I see you guys in the next video, bye for now.